Hey everybody, welcome to tonight's close-up stream. I don't think there's any news for tonight that you didn't already hear yesterday, but don't forget that the birds and Gracie go to the vet tomorrow. They'll be gone all day getting their graduation surgeries. And we haven't heard much else yet about the new mom cat. As far as we know, she's still going to arrive on Thursday. If that changes, we'll be sure to let you know. You might have noticed I switched up the lenses for today's close-up stream. Also switched up some of the camera settings. And we're doing 60 frames per second, but also just regular high def, not 4K. And the main reason that we're doing that is it takes a long time to upload 4K. So we're going to stick to the regular high def for today. Gracie, what are you doing? Oh, another? You come with the backside now? You think I won't catch you there, huh? He'll never know. What's up, tiny Gracie? DJ's got the windows open a crack because it's practically spring weather here in early December in northern Illinois. Unheard of. It's probably good 50, 60 degrees out today. The breeze is coming in and it feels nice. Hi, Chestnut. Anybody adopt you yet? What are you looking at, Chestnut? You're not making filming you too easy. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Hi. Well, you are a sweetheart, though, aren't you? You got a pretty subtle purr. I don't know if anybody can hear that. Finchy. What are you climbing now, Gracie? You guys can't see this, but Chessie is hitting the camera handle, so if things get shaky, you can blame Chessie. Blame Chessie. Oh, come on up here. There you go. Hey, Budgie. Anybody adopt you yet, Budgie? What? Why? What do you want? Chessie? What? Now you act all innocent like you weren't hitting the camera? I know you want attention. Ugh. Ryan just tried to jump on the trash can and it did not work out.
Hey, Ryan.
Sassy? Hi, Sassy. Hi, did anybody adopt you yet? Why do you have to do all this fighting back here where it's so hard to film you? I can't keep up with these kids. You know, if you want to see them run all around the room, you can tune into the regular Kitten Academy live stream. And there's cameras that cover the whole room. They're not quite as close up as this, but it's a little bit easier to not miss any of the action.
Can you set that back to auto? She saw you doing that. She may go back and I'll set it again.
Should I film these three kittens playing in the litter box, Doopy?
Kitten's fine.
Sassy, ready for your close-up? Oh, that's pretty close. You gonna change the settings on that thing again, Sassy? Sassy likes to go over and hit the button and take it off of the automatic mode and then turn it all the way up. She likes to do that at night, so it's really loud all night long.
No. Stop. Stop. Hey, baby.
Relax. People who like cats know litter boxes exist.
I want to see her do it. Will she do it?
Well, it seems like she's thinking about it.
There's one spot on the wall.
What'd you say, Gracie?
Hi, Francesca. Hi, Ren. Oh, no. Run, bunny, run, bunny, run, bunny, run, bunny.
Well, I think the camera did much better work for us this evening, but I did much worse work. Sorry for all my work tracking the kittens. I know. We've only done over a year now of close-up streams. You'd think I'd be able to follow a kitten at this point. Yeah, I can't. That's fine. I'm using a whole new technique too, you know, new camera, and that's my excuse anyway. I'm sticking with it. So.
Hi, Barbie. Barbie. Who's stopping?
Well, let's go see if we can catch some mom cats before we end the close-up stream. Hi, Ari. What you doing, bud? Here's a fig. Hi, Figlet. Oh, hang on. Once again, missing the cat with the camera. Gosh, you had one job to do, mister. Point the camera at the cat. That's it. That's your only job. Can't even do that. You don't make this easy, Figgy. How's that? Okay, yeah, you keep walking towards me. That's great. Fig wants to rub up on my legs like she does. Oh, there we go. She's going to take the dog instead. Oh, back to me. Anyway, I've got to stay one step ahead of her because this camera won't focus. If she's rubbing up on my legs, I can't film her. Doesn't work. Okay, all right, not working. Hi, Logan Bean. Ari. I know. This lighting and the 60 frames per second, it makes this whole video feel like it's a soap opera, doesn't it? Feels like I'm filming a soap opera. You purring for us, Crow? Give us a big one. Come on. Here. Let me pet you. That'll make you purr really big. Saw an Eddie here a second ago. There he is. Hi, Eddie. One more fig. One more, Eddie. All right. I feel like I'm really pushing my luck here, but let's take a look real quick and just see if we can find Maggie. And if we can't, then we'll wrap up with Smokey. All right? That way it's not a total waste. There's a chance we'll find Maggie here, but she's probably out in the cat run because the weather's so nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with that theory. She must be out in the cat run. So let's check on our little buddy Smokey in Smokey's office. Hey, Smoke Monster. What's up? What are you saying? What are you trying to tell me, Smokey? Well, thanks to all of you for tuning in. Just remember, a bunch of those kittens still do need adopters. So check our website, Kitten.Academy. You'll find lots of good pictures and information about which ones need adopters and how to do the adopting. And if you want to keep watching those kittens, just look for the regular Kitten Academy live stream on YouTube or on our website. What'd you say? Smokey? All right, say goodnight, Smokey. Say goodnight, Smokey. Can you say goodnight? You gonna say it? No? Okay.